Hi everyone, welcome to Cool Plugins. In today's video, you will learn about the Elementor loop grid. So to create a loop grid inside the Elementor, first navigate to your Elementor page. Now from the widgets section, search the loop grid. Now drag and drop this loop grid onto your page. Okay, so here from the layout setting, you can choose the template type. Either you want a post or post taxonomy. I'm going to select a post. Next, we have to select a template. If you already have an existing template, you can choose that. But in my case, I don't have any template, so I'm going to create a new one. Before creating a template, let's go through other settings. So from the query settings, you can basically include or exclude post by categories or tag. Here from the pagination setting, you can select any pagination according to your requirements. So now let's create a template. Click on the Save Changes. So here you can drag and drop the widgets that you want to add into your template. Okay, so now I'm going to add the post title to my template. It will automatically fetch the post title. Okay, now next let me add the featured image. For the next one, let's say that I want to include the post information. It will basically include the author name, if there are any comments on the post. You can include other widgets according to your requirements. For the next, I'm going to add the button. Now let's publish our page. Okay, so as you can see, we have created our loop grid. So now let's preview this page. It is very easy to create a loop grid inside the Elementor. Okay, so additionally, if you want to display your repeater fields inside Elementor Pro, then you can use our loop grid extender plugin, which is basically designed to display your repeater fields from ECF Pro inside Elementor. We have also made a tutorial on that, so you can check it out in the description box.